can, could, would. Unraveling the mystery of modal verb questions. Hello, learners. Welcome to another engaging episode in our English language learning series. Today, we'll be delving into a fascinating part of the English language, modal verbs in questions. Our focus will be specifically on how to form questions using modal verbs. So, are you ready to boost your English fluency? Let's get started. Modal verbs are unique types of verbs that we use to express possibility, necessity, ability, permission, advice, and more. Some common examples of modal verbs include can, could, would, should, might, and must. In English, questions with modal verbs generally follow this structure. Modal verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, can you swim? Here, can is the modal verb, you is the subject, and swim is the main verb. Let's look at some examples to better understand how modal verbs are used in questions. 1. Can you help me with this? 2. Should we leave now? 3. Would you like some tea? 4. Might I borrow your pen? 5. Must we always do this? In each of these examples, the modal verb is used to add an extra layer of meaning to the question, such as ability, advice, politeness, possibility, and obligation. Different modal verbs can subtly change the meaning of a question. For instance, can you pass the salt? Is more about physical ability, while could you pass the salt? Is a polite request. We hope that this video has shed some light on the use of modal verbs in questions. This is just an introduction, and there's plenty more to learn. With regular practice, you'll soon master the art of forming questions using modal verbs, and your English communication skills will definitely benefit. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep practicing, and keep learning. Next time, we'll explore how modal verbs are used in negative sentences. Stay tuned,